guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to update Windows PowerShell on your Windows 11. So for this guys, you don't need to do any extra hard work, just follow this easy and simple method. So let's get started. Press Windows key button and here you need to search cmd, means command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator. Okay, select it from the start menu. Now here you need to execute one command, so just type winget space search space PowerShell, same as it is you need to type. Okay, and then after this hit enter from your keyboard. Okay, so it will show you this type of interface screen. So before this guys, the command prompt asking you to execute this command by typing yes or no. So just you need to execute the command by pressing Y from your keyboard. Okay, and then here you need to select the PowerShell ID. So this is the first PowerShell ID, as you can see guys. So just you need to copy this, so just select it. Now right click will not work in the command prompt, so just you need to use the shortcut key to copy that PowerShell ID. Hold Ctrl key button and then press C from your keyboard. Okay, like this. And after copying guys, at the end here you need to type winget space install and paste that ID which you have copied. Okay, like this. And after this guys, you need to press enter from your keyboard. Now it will install the latest version of the PowerShell on your PC. Okay, so this is the very nice and very simple method to quickly update your Windows PowerShell on your Windows 11. So that's it today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.